All right, welcome to Helpful Hints Thursday DLR. For number one, all you're doing is you're finding the incorrect pronoun and you are rewriting it. So I applied ointment to my cuts so it would heal. Well, you have multiple cuts, so you need to change your incorrect pronoun to show multiple of something, and then you should retype the sentence in the box. Number two, you're looking for your prefix, the beginning word, your base word, which is the middle, which is an actual word that keeps the word together, and a suffix, which is your ending word. For number three, you are to rewrite the possessive noun, the sculptures of the artist. Okay, so you need to say who owns what. Who's our who, our person? How do we show ownership? And then what do they own? And you should type that in the box below. Number four, you are looking for the type of sentence. Is it simple, one subject, one predicate? Is it compound, two independent clauses separated by a comma and a conjunction of fanboys, for and, nor, yet, or, but, so? Or is it complex, a dependent clause added to an independent clause using a subordinated conjunction? Okay? So don't get confused because this sentence actually has a compound subject. However, look for your comma and your conjunctions and then decide what type of sentence. And for last but not least, for number five, you're figuring out the correct definition for remote. Having played a sport in my life, I knew I had a remote chance of making the team. Or remote chance would mean what? If you are playing the sport, you've never played the sport in your life. So choose your best answer and type it in the box below. All right, have a great day. Good luck.